Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually ship this product to your house, to your country, or to your environment without paying for a shipping fee. So continue watching this video. To your Google Play Store right here, okay? This is my Google Play Store here. So you open the app and you type in AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to be typing AliExpress. Once you just type AliExpress, you see AliExpress shopping. Okay, shopping app. This is the app right here. So because I have it installed already in my phone, that's why it's showing me update. So they show me that I need to update because I have it installed. But when you do not have it installed on your phone already, it's going to show you install. Okay, what you need to do is to install the app. Once you install the app, you wait for the app to load. Once it's installed, it will install into your gallery. So this is the app right here in my phone gallery. So the next thing that you would need to do, you wait for the app to open. It's actually opening right now. Okay, just wait for some times for the app to load. Probably network is what you need to do. You go to, so it will show you sign up. Okay, and when it shows sign up, so you need to sign up with your Gmail, whichever one. So I signed up with my Gmail because I had this app for over the years now. Yes, so I've been using AliExpress over how many years ago, and I really enjoy shopping with the app. So I'm just going, after you sign up, you go to account. Okay, and after you have gone to account, you go to your settings. Okay, so you need to go to settings. After settings, these are my settings here. Okay, and it will show you your profile, so you need to do some settings right here. The first setting is currency. You see the currency and you input your country currency. Like me is Nigeria, so the currency I put there is Nigeria. And the next thing you see is language. So you just touch on the language, just click on the language right here, and you see English, or you can actually input any language of your choice. Okay, so it's very simple, very very simple. There's nothing about this hard about this app. Okay, and then you need to see ship to. So you see there ship to. This is my own ship to. From your setting, from setting you see your profile. From profile you see all the setting that you need to do. Like I said previously, you see ship to. So this ship to, this is different states right here, irrespective of the country you are from. Uganda, New Zealand, Germany, India. You see your country there. Okay, because I'm from Nigeria, so I choose Nigeria right here. Okay, so I choose my country, Nigeria. And when you have chosen your country, the next thing that you need to do, you will see some settings there that you need to do after you have chosen your country. Okay, so I chose Nigeria right here. Okay, Nigeria right here. Ship to is Nigeria. Is okay. So you need to input your shipping address. So in my own shipping address, I just input my name that I will want AliExpress to be using to write and send my item to my country. So you see shipping address right here, and I just put my own address. So this how it's going to be showing you ship to. Okay, contact information, and you input your name there. I'm just going to put my name there, contact information. You put your name right there. Okay, and you will see address and phone number I just put all the information that is needed, and the city that you are from, and the state, the province, okay, and there's your street name, your house address, your complete house address is going to be input here in the address. Okay, if you change your address, you go back and you see add new address. Okay, if you want to add new address, it's like this. Okay, well, and then this zip code here, the zip code here, so you need to ask people around you the zip code that is close to your house and input it right there. After you are done, you're gonna click save. Okay, because I have this address already on my AliExpress account. Okay, so I do not have to add any other one again, the address. Okay, so that is it. After you are done with the address and everything, the next thing for you to do is to search for the products that you actually want to import. Okay, right now we want to import peeling oil, so we want to import peeling oil, right? Okay, so after you have done the setting up of your address and everything, and we are going to be doing searching for our products right here. So once you just come to the AliExpress app, is right here. Okay, so you can see the extra strong peeling oil is right here. Or sometimes it just shows you here, I am shopping for. You can see the search bar here. You can search for it. Just click the search bar. Let's say, okay, so I'm searching for extra strong peeling oil right here. So I have done that, extra strong peeling oil. Okay, so I click on the search button right here, and extra strong peeling oil, both other peeling chemical oil is showing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead to check the one that the prices is less. Okay, so you need to be very concerned or paying attention to the price list, because the extra strong peeling oil comes from different company with different price. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on anyone to see the price and everything. This one goes for Nigerian money is 3,074 naira. Okay, I'm going to check on the shipping. The shipping fee of this is quite high. Okay, it's about $8 here, and I'm not going to be buying that. Okay, I'm not going to be buying that. So you can actually change your currency to any country currency that I've shown you. If it's South Africa currency, you put there. If it's New Zealand, you are from, just put the currency there. Okay, if you want it to show in dollar, right now it's showing me in my currency in naira, but because, okay, let me just change the currency back to, I'm going back to the home page of the AliExpress. So I click on my account and I'm going to go for setting, and I click on currency. So let me change the currency to US dollar. Okay, so I've changed the currency right now to US dollar. So those of us that understand dollar can actually understand this. Okay, so this is it. I've changed it to dollar right now. So I'm going to be searching for, from the search bar, I search for extra strong peeling oil. Okay, let's go back to extra strong peeling oil. I'll click on the search bar and it comes out different ones right here. Okay, so this one goes for $1.31, okay, to $2.19. So I'm gonna check, the shipping fee is high, but the price of the peeling oil is quite okay, but the shipping of the oil is high, $7.52. Why the price is actually 1 point, okay, it's too high. So I'm just gonna go ahead to check other $3.65, okay, but you need to buy like 3 bottle, and it's actually free shipping right here. You can see here it says free shipping over $10. So if you are buying like 3 bottles of this, they give you free shipping to your country, okay. And if I'm buying it in Nigeria here, the delivering date will be from the 16th to 23 of November. That is this month. That is the time I will receive this item if I'm paying for it now, okay. So this one is perfectly okay. So you can actually, that's how you do, just continue checking, and when you are ready to buy, you do add to cart first. When I add to cart, that is, you put it in the cart basket. You see add to cart, and it will show you, it will actually show you pay now. So if you are paying now, you just click on the pay now or buy now. But first you add to cart, okay. First you add to cart. So if you want to increase the number, is here, you just add plus. This is 2 and this is 3, okay. And that's just how it is. That's how it is. It's very simple. From there, you know that you've added 3 items to this. So that's how it is. It's just very simple. After you have added the 3 items there, and it shows you the 3 items, the estimated total amount is 14. Okay, hope you can see this, $14.60, and it's stated there free shipping. After then you click continue if you are paying for shipping now that you are seeing right here. Okay, so your address will actually show, your address will show, and you add your card payment. You need to add your card information. Your information is actually saved with AliExpress. So, and you press on buy now. Okay, you press on buy now, click on buy now, you input the automatically, and it has to be dollar account. That is just it. Your card has to be a dollar card, okay, for you to be able to carry out your transaction. You must get a dollar card if you must buy from AliExpress. That is it. And once you do that, automatically the system will just withdraw the amount of the money that you want, okay. The system will withdraw the amount of the money that you want, and it will show you that payments are done, okay. And that is it. At the end of the day, you can chat up the seller before you buy, or you can chat up the seller after you have bought the item. From there you keep in touch, and you always come to this dashboard to confirm if the product has been sent, to show that your product has been sent from where you made the payment. So it's just easy. So if there's something that you don't understand, you can actually reach me one on one. I'll really put you through.